Hey, I'm Madison. This is Cameron. So we just finished the holidays. You may have spent more time. Ashton, do you want to be in the video too?
Yeah.
Okay. You may have spent more time in the kitchen with family than usual, and maybe you spent time with a parent or grandparent, and they might have accused you of mumbling.
No.
They didn't accuse you of mumbling?
No.
Okay. Well, they might have just not caught the punchline of the joke, or maybe they just didn't even participate in the conversation. That's the worst, is when you see that they're just left out. And it's not that they're not hearing, they're just not understanding everything that's being said. Maybe there's distracting noises like, I don't know, wax paper with crackers in it, or little babies crying, or just multiple conversations. But the holidays are a tough time. If you found some ways to work around that,
I'll be in the pit stop.
or if you experience that
I'll
yourself,
be in the pit stop.
I would love to hear about it in the comments below. And tell me what your chaotic Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever holiday you celebrate was like for you. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.